Another option for help available in PowerShell is to use the show command commandlet. The show command commandlet can be used from the console window and displays a pop-up window which allows you to get help for commands and to construct a command using the mouse as opposed to typing out commands. ISE includes the show command commandlet integrated as an additional embedded pane in the main interface so that you can see the help at the same time you're creating the commands and the scripts. The show command pop-up from the console window will block input in the console window while the pop-up is present. So when we bring up the pop-up, we don't get a prompt back in the console and cannot enter a command until we dismiss the pop-up window. The pop-up window has a list of commands alphabetically organized that you can go ahead and scroll through and click on. If we look at the get host command, which we've been using so far, and click on it, we'll see the available parameters or options for the command. We'll see that the get host command has none. If we wanted to run this command, there is a run button which will run the command. We can copy the command line for this command into the copy-paste buffer so that we could paste it in somewhere, or we can simply cancel to get rid of the window. An important feature of this window that is not obvious is the blue circle with the question mark in it. This is the help button. When you press this, you get a displayed help document for this command. This uses the help pages and help documents that are installed on the local disk, so they are subject to the same help update rules that we've already discussed. But this has a nice scrollable window and can show you all of the information available for this command. If you choose another command that has options, those options will be shown here as parameters. A given command may have more than one set of parameters that work together. These are called parameter sets, and they'll show up in additional tabs. If we look for the get random command, it will give us a good example of one. I've selected the get random command. It shows that we can have a maximum number, a minimum number, and a seed number. The seed number is optional. Maximum and minimum are both optional. And if we don't give any of them, get random has defaults for these things. There are two tabs. This is the random number parameter set. There's also a random list item parameter set, and if we select that tab, we'll see that the alternate set of parameters would be an input object collection, a count, and a seed. So this command can be used in more than one way, depending on which input parameters you provide. To construct a command with this pop-up, you can fill the data in for these options simply by entering them, and choose to run the command. And it will show you the command in a window that you can then go ahead and press enter on to run. Note that dismissing the window gives us back our prompt so we can do more commands in the console window. If you run ISE, that same show command window is available in the main display. You can click on the icon in the toolbar to make it show up, the show command add-on. And you get that same list and same set of tools on the right-hand side of the window, but it no longer interferes with the ability to enter and run commands in the command window. That's part of ISE. So the show command pop-up, whether it's in ISE or in the console, can be very helpful for finding information. If you have not already updated the help on your computer, go ahead and do that now, and then try running the help command for the get-date commandlet, and try it with the various options or parameters for the help command, such as help-full get date or help-detailed get date, and of course help-online get date. Also try running the show command pop-up yourself and try comparing how it works to the command help pane built into the ISE command. The next video will discuss completion of commands and parameters using the tab key.